Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. My name is Cindy. I am the budgeting nurse, and today I am going to be doing an update on my sinking funds. That way I know what I'm going into January with. So let's get started. Can you guys see that? Okay, starting off with my son's Sway. He has 500, 600, 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 648. $648. And that is $60. So plus 60 is what he got. Okay. On to the next sinking fund. Oh my God, look at this. I didn't even put it in right, you guys. Okay, there we go. My car registration, $400. I didn't add anything or take anything out quite yet. This is due in November 2023. And it's already fully funded. So we're going to put 400 and a 0. Car insurance. So let's see what car insurance now has. So car insurance has 1,100, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 200. So $1,200 is what car insurance now has. And that is a total of 125. All right, you guys, so I do have a story for you guys of a video that I watched. Of course, Annie released it, and it's mind-boggling. Like, we really underestimate the cruelty that is out there, you guys. Like, we really do, because I don't know. So Christmas had 645 and now it has 0. So we took out the whole balance. I'm gonna start that again in January. All right, vacation had 120 and now it has, let's check it out. So 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. So 380. And that is a total of 260 added. So it was a one where this girl, I don't even know where she's from, but she was like really smart. She was top of her class. She had like over a dozen schools trying to give her scholarships to go to their school. Very bright girl. Like she was, I think she just turned 18 and she was trying to like get into college, and very smart. But her dad just happened to be addicted to drugs. So investing had 282 and now it has 20, 40, 60, 80. Which means we took out 200, but that did get invested. So is it really a minus if that's the case? But yeah. So her dad was addicted to drugs or something, and then so her parents reported her missing, and the last person to had seen her was her dad. So when they found where she went with her dad, it ended up being a motel. So home had 160 and now it has 40. So we took away 120. So they had gone to a motel. So when they went to go check the motel, they found her lifeless body. They found her lifeless body, and they found her pants were down. And when they went and questioned the dad said, oh no, I had rented that room for her and some of her friends. Emergency fund used to have 190, now it has 20, 40, 60. So we took out 130. And so he was like, no, I rented it out, and some of her and her friends were there. I literally stayed there for about 15 minutes, and then I left. I walked to a friend's house because my car died. So the cops went and, of course, looked at the videos because the motel had cameras. Month ahead had 130, and now it has 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 45, 50. So 350, which I still need to add the other 350 that I had extra for rent. But I'll add that for next month. 350, and that was a total of 220 that we added. Yeah, so when they went to go check the cameras, of course, the only one that went in and out of that room was the dad, the father. Now, when they went to go do the autopsy, oh my goodness, when they went to go do the autopsy, Buffer, oh, it's down here. Okay, Buffer had 66, and now it has $20, $30. So 30, so that was a minus 36. They did the autopsy, and they found her father's DNA all over her private areas from the back and all over her mouth. And she had been strangled to death, you guys. They concluded that the father did that to her. Can you imagine? I don't know what could cause a parent, and I understand he might have not been in the right mind, but still, like, what could cause a parent to do that? Like, why? Your own child. And this girl was so bright, like, she had a whole future going for her, and for her father, her own father, to take that away from her, I find it really, really unfair, you know? All right, car maintenance. Where are we? Car maintenance had 130, and now it has 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 300, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So $304. And that is a total of, oh, I might not know this one. What is it, 170? 174. Sorry, you guys. I am doing all this math in my head. So if something is wrong, please let me know. Because I'm doing mental math, and I'm not the best at mental math. But I'd like to say I'm okay at mental math. But these are big numbers, so supplies now has 0. Couponing had $40, and now it has 20, 40, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68. So that is a total of $28. And I haven't gone couponing. I've been saying it this whole month that I'm going to go, and I haven't gone. So that is how my life is going right now. All right. Laundry had $60, and now it has nothing. I literally just went to go do laundry today. So that is minus 60. Momo and Demon, which are my cats, they have a total of, let's see, they used to have 230. Now they have 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 5, 10, 15, 20. So 320. 320, and that is a total of 110. Yeah, so to know that, you know, her own father did this to her, and what the story was that she had gone to the motel to help her father do something. I think it was to help him get clean or something like that. And he ended up doing this to her. And when I tell you it's so unfair, you guys, it baffles me how, one, anybody could do this to anybody, but two, a father to a daughter. And like, I've noticed that like a lot of the cases that have been coming out, it's family on family. How? Why? If you can't trust family, then who can you trust? It's bizarre. It's crazy. It's insane. Like, why? All right, giveaways had $89, and now it has 100, 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, and 59. So now it has 159. You guys, and I'm so close to 500 subscribers. I am so excited, you guys. I think I have like 430 something. Thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe so you can be entered into this giveaway. At 500 subscribers, I will be giving away either this cash or equivalent to this cash on my Etsy shop. So make sure to subscribe, you guys. I want to give this money away. I want to give items away. I want to do a giveaway. I want to get to know my followers. Okay, so this was 89, 99, 09, 19, 29, 39, 49, 59. So $70 plus. I think I got that correct, you guys. I think so. All right, so yeah, I don't understand why how anyone can do this, let alone a father to a daughter. And I understand he might have not been in the right mind because, you know, drugs do mess you up, but I don't know. I don't even know. I don't know because I've never really tried drugs, so I don't really know, but I feel like you still kind of know right from wrong. I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong. I've never done them, so I don't know, but I don't know. All right, you guys. Okay, so savings, I took that out. So we're just going to leave it at 0, and then miscellaneous is there. Okay, so just a quick update, you guys. I am in the process of making new envelopes for my 2023 year. I promise I will not change envelopes every week like I did before, but I am getting a whole new set of envelopes. I'm doing 2 extra binders, and I have a few extra envelopes that I'm adding, but my envelopes will no longer be like this. They will now be, you guys will see them in my next video. They are super duper cute, and yeah, I'm really working on it. Shout out to my fiance who is helping me weed all these, because if it was up to me, I probably wouldn't do it. But she's having fun weeding these, so I'm just making the envelopes. And I thought about making them to sell them, but honestly, I don't know how you guys do it. Some people get these envelopes like super clear. My envelopes never come out clear, so that is why I do not sell them. If you guys have a recommendation on a laminator that will laminate them perfectly clear, then I can start selling them. But until then, I just make them for myself. And these envelopes were inspired by King Cash Budgets, I think it's called. I'll link her down below. I'll her budgeting channel, because I have her on Instagram, and sometimes I'll be looking at her envelopes and I'm like, I want some so bad. She did link the shop that sells them, but when I went into the shop, I think either took them off or they sold out. And then the next time I went, her shop was on vacation mode and she wasn't coming back till January. So I was like, you know what? I will just make them for myself. And I'm not mad at how they came out or how they're coming out, because they're still in the process, but they're pretty cute. You guys will see them in the next video. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.